Welcome to our channel where we showcase the essential tools for various fields. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, a professional craftsman, an artist, or just someone who loves to tinker around, our channel has something for everyone. We believe that having the right tools is essential for getting the job done right, and that's why we've created this channel to help you discover the must-have tools for different fields. From woodworking and automotive repairs to gardening and cooking, we will take you through the essential tools that are required to make your work easier and more efficient. Our goal is to provide you with in-depth information and reviews of the best tools available in each field. We will showcase the features, benefits, and drawbacks of each tool, as well as demonstrate how they can be used to accomplish different tasks. Our videos are aimed at both beginners and experienced professionals, and we hope to help you make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing tools for your work. So, whether you are looking to upgrade your existing toolset or just starting out in a new field, our channel is here to guide you through the process. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will be showcasing the essential tools for different fields, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content.